Rockstar Freddy, why'd you drag me here? Because if we stare at this thing long enough, the CTA holiday train thing's gonna come. What is this? Oh. Well, I'm wrong. You're always wrong about everything, silly. Yeah, it's actually coming. Guys, that's how you know that train coming. Doo-doo. Can we take the elevator? Come on, Tara, let's take the elevator. Whoop.
Matthew, why would you do that?
I don't know why. I know. I'm pretty sure that's illegal. Yo, mom illegal. Hey. I gotta hide. No recording in progress. Let me choose to stop. Rockstar Freddy, you know I have a fear of elevators. Guys, I actually do. Why would you put me to this? You couldn't at least take the stairs. My legs hurt. What, those animatronic legs of yours? Because what if somebody was under the FBI, open up. Station. Platform.
Oh, sorry.
Triple, look at all the gears. I don't like that. You're moving. Shut up. Finally. I'm right here, Mom. Two-Hit Pro, you know what they say, no running on the train tracks. Shut up, I'm scared of elevators and I want to get out of there. Whatever. Rockstar Freddy, we're gonna have to sit here and freeze for so long. Oh, guess we're gonna have to sit here and freeze for 7 minutes. Oh my gosh, is that the holiday train? Oh my god, is that the holiday train? Please let it be. Nope. What does the holiday train look like? Well, it has a Santa car and it's cool and it's fully decorated. Oh, Rockstar Freddy, I should kill you. You said they're gonna ride it? Is that the holiday fleet? No, silly, it's a train. When do we get on the stupid holiday fleet so I can go home and ground you? Well, now I don't want to get off the holiday fleet. Let's wait for the holiday fleet. Do it, do it, says do. Oh, shut up. When's the dumb train coming anyway? I still don't see nothing, Ma. But I know. When's the dumb train gonna come? Look at the glow, look at the glow. Rockstar Freddy, you always waste me for dumb trains. You know what? You always waste me for stupid and dumb reasons. Oh, what's that loud noise? Rockstar Freddy, I'm finna go home right this instant, mister, and you're not gonna do anything. Merry Christmas!
Coming out.
Oh crap, hold on, just decline it. Guys, I hope I don't get copyrighted. Hi guys, Two-Hit Pro here. I hope I don't get copyrighted.
She put that right here. I don't know if I can actually know. But she can here.
Hey Two-Hit Pro, I have a question. I just seen the one-time train going the other way. Two-Hit Pro, I have a question. Why did the gingerbread man go to the doctor? I don't know, because he was feeling crummy. I want to punch you in your face right now, but I don't want to go to jail. Hey Two-Hit Pro, I got another joke. If this is funny, if this is not funny, I'm gonna punch you in your face. What's the polar bear's favorite vacation spot? I don't know. Bermuda. I'll give it to you. Whoa, that's right. I don't know why, but I thought when Santa was gonna say ho ho ho, the doors would be open.
Thank you all for riding. Happy holidays to you.
Everybody
Let's say it's 35th. Thanks for riding CJ Holiday Train. Welcome aboard the Holiday Train across Package Road. Watch the doors or the closing. Get the
I'm getting hungry. You wanted to ride this train so bad. Oh, there's something to eat right there. Where? Rockstar Freddy, you're gonna get sick. Shush. Oh, hi, Elf. Ooh, let me take that. I'll take a candy cane. Thank you. Thank you. 2023 holiday. Y'all. It ended too fast. Y'all can kind of see a glow. Oh, look. Y'all gonna see the train on the wall. Look at this. This is so awesome. I wish I could say the other word, but I'm probably gonna get copyrighted from Jeffy. To town.
The kids and girls in Boyland will have what you believe.
Oh, to have too. Look, I can play with some toys. Wait a minute. This is painted on. Why is it painted on? I want to play with some toys. Rockstar Freddy, I need you to lick it. Why? Because when I get home, I need to make Rockstar Freddy get sick. Fine. I love the smell of coal. Let's finish riding the train. Next stop. Rockstar Freddy, you okay? Yeah. Guys, I see the holiday train from this angle. So dude. Rockstar Freddy, you better be grateful for this ride. Yeah. You sound sick. I'm not sick, okay? Do you know how many people caress their hand across this wall? Oh, I don't feel so good. My stomach hurts. Oh. What'd you say? Ooh. Thank you so much. Oh, yes, I'm a little plushie. I would like that, ma'am. Hold on. Thank you. I got myself some armor. It's not armor, it's just a badge. Rockstar Freddy, it's time to get up. I got work in the morning.
This is the holiday train that can bring line stops to Cottage Road. King George will be next. King Drive for next stop. Thank you for riding the CJ Holiday Train.